Good afternoon, 2E0 HPI, Carl. I'm back out portable. Just come up to my local country park, and the weather at the moment today is it's that fine drizzly rain, but as you can see, I'm actually underneath all the pine trees here, and I think those are silver birch, I'm not too sure, but there's a big pine tree here. I've got my slide winder vertical up, currently on 40 meters. I've spread the radials out a bit more, and I've managed to get the SWR down to 1.4 on 40 meters. Got my Yaesu FT891 there in my rucksack, and I've got the small 12 amp hour battery there in the back. Got Angus there, and that's the ground spike of the slide winder coil, and that's the coil itself. And this is the new whip that you get now with the slide winder antenna from M1ECC antennas there. So if you're interested in the antenna, it does work quite well. I've actually worked into Australia, Indonesia, Brazil, Argentina, Alaska, and that's just running 50 watts. Generally, if I'm running on the small battery, I keep the power down to about 20 watts, but I'm not out for long. Once I've got my 10, maybe it's 10-20 contacts, I'll pack back up and head back home, recharge everything, make sure everything's okay for the weekend, because I will be watching the football, and also I'm taking part in the International Lighthouse and Lightship Weekend, which is on Saturday, Sunday this weekend. So as you can see, the antenna's in with all the trees here. I have worked a couple of stations around the UK, and I worked Oscar Zulu 44 Whiskey Fox at a Flora Fauna, and that was on 40 meters. So yeah, it's a good little spot this if you ever want to do the country park. This is right at the top end. Just follow the path around, and then there's a path that leads you into the centre of the park. And so you only need to get 10 QSOs and then upload them onto the Parks on the Air website, and you've got your first activation done. So we'll better plod on, get a few more contacts in the log before I trip over these small little twigs on the ground that have came off the trees in high winds, and we'll see if we can get a few more on the log. So this is 2E0 HPI portable at Summerhill Country Park, and I'm using the slide winder kit, which comes with the multi-section antenna whip, the coil, colour of your choice, and the ground spike, plus the radial kit. You get 4 radials in with the kit. They do sell everything separate. If you just want to buy the coil, use your own whip, or so on, or use your own mount. So yeah, thanks for watching 2E0 HPI portable, and we'll catch everybody on the band shortly. 7-3.